The Manipur government has announced its intention to introduce an amendment bill pertaining to the Goods and Services Tax (GST) during the forthcoming assembly session, commencing on February 28. This decision was reached during a recent cabinet meeting presided over by Chief Minister and Biren Singh, as disclosed by State Information and Public Relations Minister Sapam Ranjan. Sapam Ranjan stated the Manipur Goods and Services Tax 6th Amendment Bill 2024 will be placed in the upcoming assembly session. Additionally, discussions on budget-related matters took place during the cabinet meeting, including the presentation of reports from the Comptroller and Auditor General of India and revised estimates for the 2023-24 fiscal year. Furthermore, the budget estimates for 2024-25 are slated to be laid out during the session, which is scheduled to run until March 5. Another crucial decision emerged from the cabinet meeting. As Sapam Ranjan revealed, the cabinet also agreed to propose implementation of the recommendation of the Second National Judicial Pay Commission for payment of allowances to the Manipur Judicial Service with effect from January 1, 2016 in compliance with the Supreme Court's order. Moreover, the Council of Ministers has greenlit the introduction of the Manipur Labour Laws exemption from renewal of registration and license by establishment Manipur Bill 2024 in the Assembly. Additionally, addressing infrastructure needs, the Cabinet approved the direct purchase of 3.77 acres of land for the establishment of an automated testing station in Imphal East District.